Plate carrying and serving skills is essential for any food server. It improves efficiency, guest satisfaction, and overall service flow. Proper technique also prevents accidents, reduces breakage, and enhances the professional image of the restaurant. Importance: ensures smooth and efficient service. Reduces the risk of dropping plates or spilling food. Helps maintain correct posture and balance. Enhances the guest's dining experience with clean, elegant service. Preparation: wash and sanitize hands. Ensure plates are clean, dry, and not overheated. Plan the route, know the table number, seat numbers, and dish positions. Check for any obstacles, busy aisles, or wet floors. How to carry plates correctly. A. Carrying one plate. Hold the plate with your non-dominant hand. Use the entire palm for support, not just fingertips. Keep the plate balanced and stable. Your dominant hand remains free for opening doors or placing items. B. Carrying two plates. Place the first plate on your non-dominant hand, palm. Position the second plate between your thumb and index finger, resting the edge on the lower plate. Keep fingers away from contact areas, no touching the food surface. Maintain balance by keeping elbows close to the body. C. Carrying three plates. Hold the first plate on your palm. The second plate rests between your thumb and index finger. The third plate rests on the arm or wrist area, supported by the base of the second plate. Ensure that the plates are not too hot or heavy. Practice with empty plates before using full ones. Approaching the table. Approach from the guest's left side for serving food in many service styles. Maintain a pleasant posture and smile. Announce the dish politely. Here is your grilled salmon, sir. Avoid reaching over guests. Serving food to guests. Place plates gently and silently. Ensure the dish is properly oriented, main item. Serve ladies first, then gentlemen, then children, depending on restaurant policy. Serve clockwise unless following seat numbers or silver service rules. Wait for the right moment if guests are engaged in conversation. Never interrupt or reach across a guest. Clearing plates, busser/server skill. Clear plates from the right side unless house rules differ. Ask permission politely. May I clear this for you? Carry plates using the same techniques, stack neatly and safely. Safety tips. Never overload yourself beyond your confidence level. Use a tray if plates are too numerous or heavy. Avoid hot spots on the plate, use a cloth if needed. Keep pathways clean, dry, and unobstructed. Professional behavior. Maintain eye contact, smile, and provide courteous service. Move with confidence and control. Stay aware of guest needs, refills, extra cutlery, sauces. Practice routine for improvement. Start with one empty plate 2-3. Practice walking straight lines and turning corners. Rehearse table approach and plate placement. Use mirrors to check posture and arm positioning.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more hospitality tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, like, comment and share with your friends and others.